Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get green mums. First, understand that green mums are a special hybrid, requiring a specific breeding path. You'll need to start with basic mum colors and carefully cross-pollinate them. This process takes time and consistent effort, but the vibrant results are truly worth it. Let's dive into the steps. Your first step is to cultivate purple mums. Begin by buying white mum seeds from Nook's Cranny. Plant these white mums in a diagonal pattern, leaving space for new flowers to grow. This arrangement maximizes cross-pollination. Remember to water them every single day. This consistent care significantly increases your chances of spawning those crucial purple mums. Once you have a good number of purple mums, you're ready for the next stage. Take 2 purple mums and plant them in a checkerboard pattern, ensuring there's an empty space around each one. This spacing allows new hybrid flowers to appear. Continue to water these purple mums daily. With persistence, you will eventually see those elusive green mums sprout. To further boost your chances, consider inviting friends to water your flowers. This significantly increases hybrid spawn rates. Also, using fertilizer can accelerate growth and hybrid generation. Remember, consistency is key, so keep watering daily. For more tips and to check out the Oala water bottle mentioned, which helps you stay hydrated during your gardening, please see the links in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.